Hello everyone. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Khoirunnisa Alifah. I'm from grade 12, Agribusiness Processing, Agricultural Product 1. Today I will present how to make fried bread. First, I will explain to you about what is fried bread. Bread is basic food of wheat, flour, and water, fermented with leaven, but others refrain from using leaven. Bread can be fried and frozen for longer storage. Fried bread contains a lot of protein, which is very useful to increase a person's nutrition. Store breads longer, rich in taste and aromas, bread easier to digest and chemical free. Here are the tools to make fried bread. Scales is used to weigh the materials to be used. Spiral mixer is used to mix all the dough until the dough doesn't stick to your hands. Scraper is used to cut dough. Proofer is used to develop bread dough before steaming process. Bowl is used as a container for the crushed chocolate. Basin is used to accommodate the dough that has been kneaded. Rolling pin is used to manually roll the dough to the desired thickness. Steamer is used to steam bread. Bread pans are used as storage containers for bread dough during fermentation and during cooling after steaming. Spoon is used to take chocolate as stuffing bread. Knife is used to crush chocolate. Sealer is used to seal plastic packaging. Plastic packaging is used to pack the finished bread. Next, I will explain the ingredients used in making fried bread. Flour. Wheat is the main ingredient for making bread because it contains a lot of gluten-forming protein, which can provide gas-holding properties and the formation of a structure that is very important in the formation of bread. In making bread, we use two types of flour, namely medium protein flour and high protein flour. Why? So that the resulting bread has a large volume, is softer, and lasts longer. Yes. This function to ferment carbohydrates and produce carbon dioxide and create alcohol in flour. Bread dough will expand due to carbon dioxide trapped in gluten. Salt function to improve taste, dough stability, regulate fermentation time, adjust crumb color. Powdered milk has protein which will help the development of gluten, brown the cake, and the fat will soften the dough. Sugar serves as a source of carbohydrate, food for yeast, provides a sweet taste to bread, and soften gluten which makes the texture of bread soft. Eggs are used as additive whose function is to make bread softer, tasty better, give color, and add nutritional value. Butter function to give flavor, soften, and expand cakes and reduce the effects of flour glutens. Breadcrumbs are used as an additional ingredient to make the layers of bread so crispy and don't absorb a lot of oil. Water serves as a binder which allows the dough to ferment. Chocolate is used as a filling for bread. Then I will explain the steps of making fried bread. Firstly, prepare personal approval. Prepare the tools and material first. Mix flour, milk powder, sugar on speed 1 for 3 minutes using a spiral mixer. Dissolve bread yeast with warm water. Let stand until it looks foamy, a sign of yeast activity. Add the yeast solution, eggs, and cold water, and stir at speed 2 for 5 minutes. Add margarine and salt. Stir until the dough is not sticky in hand. Divide and weigh the dough as much as 925 grams. Round it up. Divide the dough using a scale, 25 grams each. Run the dough and ferment it at room temperature for 15 minutes. Cover with transparent plastic. Fill the dough with chocolate. Shape the dough into an oval shape. Ferment it at room temperature for 15 minutes. Dip briefly in water and coat with breadcrumbs until evenly distributed. Ferment it in proofer for 15 until 30 minutes. Steam for 10 minutes on medium heat. Pack the steam buns into a plastic size 15 by 30. Then put in the freezer for long storage or fry it for serving. Result. The final result of 4 kg of dough is 160 pieces of fried bread. Thank you for your listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Bye!